Hi, my name is Greer. I'm an avid photographer. I'm the host of Viewfinders TV. I love photography and I'm excited to share some of my tips for taking nature photos. And I've had the pleasure to explore some beautiful locations throughout Georgia and beyond. From the mountains to the coast, my first tip is to always scout out the location. Step 2 is making sure I have the right gear with me. So I like to pack pretty light, and so that typically means a camera body, a lens, my backpack, a few more lenses, and my tripod. Once I'm packed and I'm out exploring, I usually try to plan the time of day. I have found the best light is typically either right around sunrise or right around sunset. And if you're looking to upgrade your gear or maybe add to it, make sure you check out KEH.com. It's affordable, it's pre-owned, it's so easy to do, and it allows you to focus on capturing that perfect moment in nature.